managing software lifecycle in Microfocus ALM and have ALM project files. These contain comprehensive application lifecycle management data for enterprise software development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Microfocus ALM project files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the ALM format and dozens of others obsolete. This file is typically encountered by software development and QA teams using Microfocus Application Lifecycle Management, ALM, formerly HP Quality Center. The user's intent is to access project data, such as requirements, test plans, or defect reports, for management and collaboration within a large-scale software project. An ALM file is a proprietary data container, likely a compressed archive or database snapshot, holding structured project information. It was designed to encapsulate a specific subset of an ALM project for backup, sharing, or migration between different instances of the Quality Center/ALM platform, ensuring data integrity. The ALM data container is optimally managed by Microfocus ALM Quality Center, developed by Microfocus. This file type demands a dedicated, niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the ALM file and choose Open With. If Microfocus ALM Quality Center is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. If you are still having trouble opening the ALM file, do not worry. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, connecting through ALM client. Install the Microfocus ALM client matching your server version and authenticate with your enterprise credentials. The client provides full ALM functionality, including requirements, management test planning, execution, and defect tracking. Use the client browser interface for daily ALM activities, while project files configure connection details to specific ALM servers. Next, web interface access. Access Microfocus ALM through the web interface at your organization's ALM URL, providing browser-based access without installing the desktop client. The web interface offers most ALM functionality with automatic version compatibility advantages over the desktop client. Modern ALM versions emphasize web access with reduced dependence on the legacy desktop client. Finally, API integration. Use the ALM REST API for automation and integration with development tools like Jenkins, Jira, and Visual Studio. The API enables custom integrations, programmatic test execution, and reporting automation, extending ALM's capabilities into your development toolchain. Documentation through Microfocus support provides complete API reference for development teams. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.